A lack of hot water from your Rheem Performance gas water heater usually comes down to a tripped thermal switch or a pilot light that has gone out due to a dirty thermocouple. Resetting the thermal switch and relighting the pilot assembly will restore your hot water in minutes. Remove the outer access panel at the bottom of the water heater tank. Look for the small thermal switch located near the burner viewing window. Press the reset button in the center of the switch. A distinct click means the switch had tripped and cut off the gas supply for safety. If the thermal switch was not tripped, the thermocouple is likely covered in carbon buildup, preventing the pilot from staying lit. Use a piece of fine sandpaper or emery cloth to gently clean the tip of the thermocouple until the metal is shiny. This ensures the heat sensor accurately detects the pilot flame. Turn the gas control knob to the pilot position and press it inward. Click the piezo igniter button continuously until you see a flame through the viewing window. Hold the gas control knob in for a full 60 seconds to heat the thermocouple before releasing it and turning the knob to the on position. The main burner will ignite immediately with a distinct whoosh sound once the knob is turned to the on position. Set the temperature dial to the recommended triangle setting to prevent scalding while ensuring optimal hot water output for your home.